Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is Introduction to Salesforce, what is cloud computing, CRM, salesforce.com, force.com, Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, important terms in Salesforce. Introduction to Salesforce. Salesforce is a software as a service CRM company. It is a cloud-based software company that provides its customer with a platform to develop their own applications without following the tough steps that they used to follow in the legacy system. Salesforce.com helps us to manage customer relationships, integrate with other systems, and even build apps. The tools help us to create a custom solution as per business requirements. The software or application once created can be uploaded onto the cloud, allowing the end users to use them. Today, so many brands are using Salesforce either in the form of SaaS or PaaS. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is all about using a remote server to store, manage, and process data instead of local server or personal computer. It is a concept of offering services like SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. SaaS, known as Software as a Service. Salesforce uses software as a service as there is no need for installation, downloads, or setups. We just need to log in to our Salesforce account and start using our apps over the cloud. PaaS, known as Platform as a Service. It is basically used by developers. It provides a platform for its customer to develop and deploy apps. Users can customize this according to their business needs. IaaS, known as Infrastructure as a Service. It is mostly concentrate on infrastructural services such as server, hosting, storage services, etc. Cloud service or vendors are AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, Adobe, Salesforce, etc. CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. It is a strategy for managing an organization relationship and interaction with customers. CRM is a kind of software that stores customer contact information like name, address, age, phone number, etc. It also keeps track of customer activity like website visits, number of outgoing and incoming phone calls, email, and more. Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM system that allows salespeople to track their sales, support people to track their cases, and either companies' employees to collaborate with each other. Salesforce license is designed for those users who need complete access to the CRM and Force.com app. Salesforce.com. Salesforce.com is a customer relationship management solution that brings companies and customers together. It is a software as a service CRM which provides computing services. It was founded in March 1999 by ex-Oracle employee Mark Benioff and Parker Harris. In June 2004, the company's IPO was listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the stock symbol CRM and raised US $110 million. Today, Salesforce has expanded from just CRM to offer a multitude of products. It provides CRM application developed as SaaS like Sales Service. Force.com. Force.com is a platform that helps developers and business users to build powerful enterprise applications. Salesforce is a SaaS product which contains inbuilt out-of-box functionalities that enables a CRM system to automate your sales marketing services. Force.com provides platform as a service. It helps developers to build business applications. It is a platform developed by Salesforce to build cloud-based social and enterprise applications. Force.com is an IDE integrated development environment for developing applications on Lightning platform using Apex, Visual Force, Lightning, and metadata components. Sales Cloud. Salesforce Sales Cloud is a CRM platform designed to support sales. It is designed by Salesforce to automate sales process in organization and support sales, marketing, and customer support in both business to business and business to customer context. The features in this Sales Cloud enables us to boost our organization sales, and also it provides many business solutions. Sales Cloud offers web to lead functionality to support online lead capture with auto response rules. It refers to the sales module in salesforce.com. It includes leads, accounts, contacts, opportunities, products, price books, quotes, contracts, and campaigns. Service Cloud. Salesforce Service Cloud is CRM platform for customer service and support. Service Cloud enables users to automate service processes, streamline workflows, and find key articles, topics, and experts to support customer service agents. Service Cloud offers web-to-case functionality that provides support and help to customers. It helps in retaining the customers, increasing their satisfaction and loyalty. These services are designed to provide easy, affordable access to applications and resources. It allows customers to help themselves by helping each other. Many tools are available for self-service on various troubleshooting requirements. Marketing Cloud. Marketing Cloud. It is a CRM platform for marketers that allows them to create and manage marketing relationships and campaigns with customers. Salesforce Marketing Cloud is marketing automation tool. It let us create customer journey through multiple channels like email, SMS, push notifications, social media, ads, and web. These journeys have different stages based on the interactions a customer has with our brand. It is a Salesforce acquisition of a product formerly known as Exact Target. Marketing Cloud is connected to Salesforce.com's Sales Cloud and Service Cloud, which enables coordination that provides a unified experience and prevents customers from being contacted separately by marketers from all three groups. Important terms in Salesforce: Chatter, Enterprise Collaboration Platform; Campaign. It is a marketing tactic designed to achieve specific goals. Lead. Person or company who shows interest. Account. Company doing a business. Tact. Person who has influence. Opportunity. Anything generate revenue for company. Forecast. Estimate for future revenue. Contract. Legal agreement. Users. Anyone who log in. Report. Document that present information in organized format. Dashboard. Type of graphical user interface. Order. State intention. Cases. Request or complaint from customer. Solution. Resolution of request or complaint. Product. Item offered for sales. Price books. List of products and their prices. Assets. Allows to track specific information about the product and services. Event. It includes invitees. Task. It is quick way to create and update. Analytic. It is a cloud-based platform designed for users to get answer instantly. App Exchange. It is the world's leading business app marketplace. Trailhead. It is a fun way to learn Salesforce. Thank you.